Hi guys,
it's
Little and
B.
B. So it's been a while since we've seen you guys. We're in quarantine like everyone else. So
hope you're staying safe.
And we just wanted to make a quick video today because my hair is a mess. That's why it's in a little bun like this, because I have the balayage bleach. So today we're going to be trying the Madison Reed hair coloring systems that everybody's been talking about. So my hair is super dry and super just in need of like some help. So there's a lot of rave reviews about how this is going to add a lot of moisture to your hair and just, you know, bring the life back. So we'll see. So Little's going to be dyeing my hair today. This is our in-home salon because this is quarantine time.
Yeah. Yeah, so it says it covers 100% gray.
Okay. Covers 100% gray. Long-lasting color with beautiful multi-tones. Works in just 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
So.
Okay. Let's see.
That's what we need.
It's natural.
Oh, that's why we got it, because it was also very natural. So,
yeah. So let's.
Little already has natural hair, so she's good during quarantine. So hopefully we get my hair back to that, and then I'll be good to go for as long as this quarantine goes on. So let's see what happens.
See what happens.
Okay, so it's really simple to mix it. If you don't have a bowl, that should be okay too, since they has a bottle that you can mix with it. But you know, we have the bowl, so we're gonna use the bowl. I got 2 boxes because my hair is long, but I don't know if I'm gonna need more, so we'll see what happens, because might need more, not sure. Ta-da!
So here we are.
Hair. It's a lot softer, and the color took pretty well, because you can't see a lot of the bleach that I had. So it looks pretty good.
It looks good. It covered a lot. It covered a lot of the blonde. It was blonde, super blonde. We'll post it. We'll put some pictures.
See the before and after.
Yeah, the before and after. And it's super soft now. So really
super soft, and the dye actually doesn't burn your eyes. Like doesn't the smell doesn't burn your eyes?
While I was working on it, it didn't burn.
Yeah,
which is of course a plus.
Yeah, but the only thing is the shampoo and conditioner smelled very chemically.
Smelled a little.
Yeah. But that was the only thing. But other than that, like everything else was good. Apparently it's made in Italy is what we were reading on the box. So it's kind of cool. So yeah, this was actually a really good experiment that we did. And shout out to my brother-in-law, because I actually needed 3 boxes and I only bought 2. So if you have hair that's about this length, you're gonna need
thick. Your hair's
thick and like long, like this length. I don't know how long this is. I don't know how many inches. I don't know. Yeah. So in the pictures you'll probably be able to see it. If your hair is that long and it's kind of thick, make sure to get 3 boxes and not 2, because like I said, shout out to my brother-in-law. He had to make an emergency run to Ulta to get another box for me. So just FYI, if you don't have medium length hair, probably medium length, you probably need 2, you know, and then if you have long hair, probably need 3. So just to be safe, on the safer side, go with 3 if you have long hair. So just in case you don't have anybody to run to the store for you
while you're in the middle. That's tough.
So that was a fun adventure.
Big difference.
Yeah,
it's a big difference. Super soft. And
you'll see it in the before and after pictures. Definitely before, you can see it's very dry. The edges are very dry because of the bleach, and then now it looks really soft. It actually looks like hair again. So I have hair again. Yeah. Thanks to Madison Reed and my sister, who knows how to apply it. So if you are applying it yourself, I think that it would be a little bit more difficult if your hair is long. Yeah. Well, as opposed to it being like maybe medium size to short. Yeah, it's probably more doable. But with long hair, you don't want to miss any, you know, parts of it. So maybe have someone help you if you don't want to miss any parts.
I know.
Especially, you know, like on the back and on the inside, you know, so.
And it leaves like really like nice highlights. It looks very natural. Yeah.
So you want to go back to natural.
During this pandemic, because you know we can't get to our stylist.
Trying to pandemic proof yourself.
Salon.
Like Little has done. She's pandemic proof her hair with natural hair color. So
nails,
she's
nothing.
good.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to, do that, you could do that now with
go to your natural color.
Madison Reed. So yeah.
How much
liked
is
it.
each box?
So at Ulta, it was $26.50 a box, which that's gonna be more than your average store brand. But definitely when you were dyeing my hair, you could tell the difference.
It was worth it, and I think they're saying there's like it's natural.
Yeah, so it's more natural.
Doesn't smell either.
So yeah, less toxic chemicals, I guess.
I mean,
so
it's hair dye. I mean, but I mean, at least it didn't. It really didn't. It didn't burn my eyes.
Yeah, I think if you're trying to find like a more natural hair dye on the market, this is one of the ones that's going to be more natural. But also like, if you have grays, it's definitely going to cover it because I have some grays up here and and they're covered. So yeah. So we're good. We're going to give Madison Reed 2 thumbs up over here.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching.
Stay safe.
Yeah, and stay tuned for more pandemic proof ways for beauty tips.
Yeah.
We may have some more coming up. So see you guys later.